Toprak Razgatlioglu will make his MotoGP debut with Pramac Yamaha in 2026, but it will be difficult to win a championship as long as Fabio Quartararo remains the team's mainstay. Quartararo has a strong position in bike development and more experience, while the new 2027 regulations with Pirelli tires could benefit Toprak's riding style. And there's a possibility of a reshuffle if performance stagnates. He must now focus on adapting to the more complex MotoGP landscape. Ultimately, his path to the title depends on internal team changes.